In today's video, I'm going to show us, in case you have not live streamed before on YouTube, what you are going to do. Because somebody contacted me, she wants to follow my video on Restream, on how to do Restream. You know, the Restream that people are doing right now. It's not only Black that is doing it. Every country is doing this Restream. So I don't know why Blacks are always having problem when it comes to only them complaining. People are doing Restream. People all over the world, people are doing Restream. It's not new. Maybe people are just getting to know it. The Restream is not new. But I'm not here to talk about that now. I'm here to talk about the person contacted me, and the person said that she wanted to Restream, do the Restream, and they are telling her that she needs to go and enable live streaming. Okay, and that is what I want to do today. How to show you how to enable your live stream. In case you have never live streamed before on YouTube, you need to enable it. And if you are not enable it, you can never live stream. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it on phone, because I know majority people work with their phone. So I'm going to show you how to do it on phone. So without wasting much of the time, let's jump right into my phone. One important point to take note is that I also create video based on the request of my viewers or subscribers. So if you want me to create a video on any topics that are related to my niche, put it in the comment section what you want me to create, and then I will definitely make video for you. So we're in my phone. I want to show you a particular Gmail that I have less than, even if you have less than 50 subscribers, okay, you need to still enable it. So what I'm going to show you is to go to my YouTube, and then I'm going to choose a particular Gmail that I've not used before, that I've not used for a very long time. Okay, so this is it. Then I want to do as if you can see that in this email I have like only 4 subscribers here, which when I click here and I want to go live, YouTube will tell me it is not possible to go live. But you can go live with any streaming application, but not directly on YouTube. Okay, like for example, I've done a video on how to use Prism Live to go live with less than 50 subscribers. So if you have not used it, if you have not seen that video, you need to go and then watch it. I'll put the link in the description below as well. How to use Prism Live, okay, to live stream with less than 50 subscribers. Okay, so that is that one. Okay, so I'll have this one because I'm not talking about this. Okay, I'm talking about YouTube. If you have not live streamed before, what you are going to do. So what you are going to do is I'll go to my Google Chrome. As I said, we are going to use Google Chrome. Phone, the same thing in computer. Just go to browser. I can show us how it's going to look like on phone, because phone is what most people use. So I'll go into my Google, and go to your Google Chrome like this. Okay, let's choose clean one. Okay, when you get to your Google Chrome, this is what you are going to see. Okay, firstly, you are going to your channel dashboard, which is studio.youtube.com. I'll put the link also in the description. Okay, when you get to this place, first thing you should do, try and change it to desktop site. You will see it here, request for desktop type. Okay, when you click on request for desktop type, okay, once you come in, you see that you did not sign in into your normal Google account. Okay, you can see it here. Then you have to come and switch your account. Type on it to switch your account. Okay, I will type on it. I want to switch my account. Okay, you can see the account here that I want to sign into. I will tap on it. So once I tap on it, it will bring me to my dashboard. Okay, this dashboard is very important. I love to work when I turn my phone. Okay, so let me turn the phone. You can do that as well. Two-step security is for you to verify your phone number, but we are not going to verify phone number now. We are going to click on go live here. You see, this is where what I want you to see exactly. Request access to streaming to streaming. Once it takes up to, so if you have to request it, it will take up to 24 hours. So here is the picture of what I received from that person that was asking me what they are telling the person. So I'm going to block the name of that person and everything. I'm just going to show us what they wrote. They said live streaming is not enabled. Please go to your YouTube live dashboard. Okay, That is the same error you will get if you have not live stream before on YouTube with your channel. Okay, so that take me back to what we are doing before. So all you just need here is just to click on request, and once you click on request, it's going to take 24 hours before it will just keep counting down. After 24 hours, you will be able to live stream direct. So that is it for this video. I hope I've been able to show you how you can request for live streaming if you have never live streamed before on YouTube. Okay, so that is it. So you can, after 24 hours, you can now go back to the video of restream. I'm going to put that link to the restream also in the description below as well, and I'm going to put it there also as well, or I can put it at the end card here, so you need to watch it then refollow it again until you can be able to live stream. That monetization, we are all going to get there, whichever way that we are going to get there. The only thing that I used to say to us is that make sure in your long form content you are creating a valuable content, a content that people will want to come back to watch. It is very important, even if you are using Restream to get your watch hour, because after monetization there is still must be continuity on your own video. That is why I'm talking about valuable content. So I think, so if you want to now live stream, okay, you need to watch this video that you're going to see on your screen, that step by step to follow how to use Restream. So with that, I will say thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye.